This is the loudest insect in the world. Cicadas are the loudest insects in the world, especially the African cicada, with a recorded sound of 107 decibels when measured at a distance of 20 inches or 50 centimeters away. That's almost as loud as a chainsaw at 110 decibels, which is loud enough to cause permanent hearing loss from close range. Only male cicadas can produce the loud call by using a special structure called timbal, a pair of which lies below each side of the abdominal region, with rib-like cartilage that can be contracted and relaxed repeatedly. Most cicadas go through a life cycle that lasts 2 to 5 years, but some species have much longer cycle, such as the North American cicadas, which spend up to 17 years underground as nymphs, essentially hibernating, waiting for the perfect temperature before rising to